Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to unhide a chat on the WhatsApp app for PC, especially with the latest update. If you've archived a chat and want to bring it back to your main list, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side menu, where you'll see all your chats displayed. Next, click on Archive Chat from the left side menu. This section contains all the chats you've chosen to archive, including any group or individual chats you might have hidden. Now that you're in the Archive section, locate the chat that you want to unhide. Once you find it, right-click on that chat. A context menu will appear with various options for you to choose from. Finally, click on Unarchive. This action will remove the chat from your archived list and restore it back to your main chat screen. And there you go. Your chat is now visible and you can easily catch up on the conversations you missed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on WhatsApp and other applications. Happy chatting!